Yeah, mate.
Roger that. Is that all? On. Apparently we're just running over. Take it easy through here. Yeah, that can't hit you. That left. Whoa! Very left hard. Right. Hands in the car. Hang on, no. Hang on. How do we get out? What's this? Hey, Nick, no. What? I'm going to get a shackle.
Yeah, they got one. They got one, mate.
What? You want to do it?
Just put it on my car. Oh, sorry, mate. Yeah, what out of your fucking head?
Mum will be.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ah,
It will be.
really? Yeah. Damn it.
From what? I'll stay here, fuck it. How do we have 3 here?
Huh?
Did we claim that?
Yes. We'll have to sort that out.
Maybe they had 2.
And I like pretty flowers. Did I get it right that time?
No.
Right, I mean.
Push your feet on the ground.
Can I help him make him stop when we get down?
Yeah, right, I mean.
Make me stop.
Consider him stop.
Remember, Dave, don't use the fucking brakes. Oh, fuck.
As if you tied my feet to the seat.
That's the ticket.
That'll be the go. Oh, easy, Pete. Right, we're moving. Don't be stupid.
This Zeke could be a long wheelbase by the end of this.
Sure beans. Engine's going along, dude. No trouble, mate.
Yeah,
Take it easy. Take it easy, boy. Boys, we'll just take it easy, man. As long as Teddy wins the race.
You're doing well, guys.
Righto, man. So uphill, so you'll be on the way.
Don't worry about coming.
Moving, moving. That's it there.
One second. Let it roll.
Yeah, hard right, boys. Yep, yep. Don't hit the tree. Yep, yep.
Done.
Go, Benny, go, Benny.
Hey, woo, 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 woo.
Now, hard left. Watch the skinny tree, go hard left. Go high.
Go, go, go.
Go up.
Keep going, keep going.
Good work, boys, good work.
What? Stop.
Shit.
Alright, flip.
Just pull your back a bit, Dave. Get you off that strap. Righto. Come on, team. Look. Oh, no, you've got
Nothing I can do, man. Nothing I can do.
A bit off the stone.
Especially it takes me fucking half an hour to get in this
Go,
bus.
go.
Come on. Well done, well done. Come on, Justin.
Hands up when you're done, boys. Fucking out the window, dickhead.
Come on, Justin. Come on, Justine.
Let's go, Justine.
Good work, lads. Come on, Justin.
Not being here, I see.
How much time we got, Pete?
Fuck, I think we done that at 7. That's it. I wonder how we did that. I don't think we got any penalties that time.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think we did pretty good.
because you didn't fuck off.
Pretty good.
That's good. Next time, same thing. Don't need to go full noise, bat out of hell.
Yeah, that's good. It's really the best time we've had.